Welcome to day 3 of the Kwanzaa calendar 2020. So today's principle is Ujima, collective work and responsibility, working to help each other and in the community. So that is a great principle to live by. So let's go ahead and see what Chicken Coop Dye Works has for us for day 1. Ooh, check this out. This one is called Tiptoe in Tulips, and it is, I think, similar to the colorway for the solar, the ones from a couple of days ago, but this one has more pink in it. Definitely has more pink in it, for sure. So that is gorgeousness, and it is also fingering 70% superwash merino, 30% silk, high twist, and a single ply. So yeah, tiptoe through the tulips. Gorgeous. So I suspect that I'm going to have a mohair tomorrow that it's going to match, because I see a theme going here. So next up, sorry for the crinkling, is going to be Mitchell's Creations, my friend Tara. And this one is also on her lanyap base as well. And day 3 is the color green. So she has done a mini. It's coming across a little blue on the screen, but it is definitely kind of a tealish green color. And guys, I just love minis. I really, really do. I'm going to take all of my minis that I have back here, and I'm going to actually collectively put those together because they're kind of all over the place right now. So it would be great to keep these together. So thank you guys for tuning in to day 3 of Kwanzaa, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.